Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of automotive technology with our countdown of the top 5 car dash cams for 2025. Whether you're looking for enhanced security, peace of mind on the road, or just want to capture those unforgettable moments during your drives, we've got you covered. If you want more information on the updated price of the product, make sure to check the product links below in the description box. So, let's get started. Number 5. VIOFO A119 Mini 2 Dash Cam. The VIOFO A119 Mini 2 packs a punch with its compact, mini-size frame. It's designed to be easily hidden behind or next to your rear-view mirror, keeping your windshield clear and unobstructed. This dashcam uses Sony's latest Starvis 2 IMX 675 image sensor, which provides fantastic clarity and reduces motion blur. Whether it's day or night, you'll capture sharp, clear details of your surroundings, including road signs and number plates. The A119 Mini 2 shines with its DOL HDR technology. This feature enhances its night vision capabilities, making sure you get a clear view even in challenging lighting conditions. It balances out extremely bright and dark areas, so whether you're driving through a tunnel or on a dark road, your footage will be detailed and accurate. Another fantastic feature is its smart voice control. With simple voice commands, you can lock video files, take photos, or even turn on and off Wi-Fi without taking your hands off the wheel. The VIOFO A119 Mini 2 supports 5 GHz Wi-Fi, which is 4 times faster than the standard 2.4 GHz. This means you can quickly download and share your footage via the VIOFO app on your iOS or Android device. The built-in GPS module also records essential data like your driving route, speed, and time, which can be super helpful in case of incidents. This dash cam offers 3 different parking modes to ensure your vehicle is monitored even when you're not around. The auto event detection, low bitrate recording, and time-lapse recording options provide flexibility based on your needs. Number 4. Z50 Dashcam Front and Rear 4K. The Z50 is a dual-channel dashcam designed to offer both front and rear coverage with some impressive features. We're talking 4K Ultra HD resolution for the front camera and 1080 pixel for the rear. This combination ensures that you capture every detail with crystal-clear clarity, whether it's during the day or at night. The 4K Ultra HD resolution. This means you get cinematic image quality with sharp details, making tasks like reading license plates a breeze. Thanks to the Sony IMX415 sensor and 7 optical lenses, you're getting lifelike colors and incredible detail. With the Night Vise technology and f/.75 aperture, the Z50 excels in low light conditions. Whether you're driving at dusk or in pitch darkness, you'll still get super clear footage. With the IPS power management system, it keeps an eye on your car day and night, protecting it even when you're away. The Z50 also includes advanced driver assistance systems like the front vehicle departure warning and a high-precision gyro sensor for immersive recording. And with D-Save emergency storage, you can be confident that all your important footage is securely saved. The dashcam supports up to 128 GB of storage with loop recording, so you'll never run out of space for your daily driving footage. Plus, the built-in G sensor automatically locks and saves footage if it detects sudden movements or collisions. Number 3. TiESFONG M10 Max. The TiESFONG M10 Max is a 4-channel dashcam designed to give you a comprehensive view of everything happening around your vehicle. This means it records from the front, rear, and both sides of your car, ensuring you never miss a thing. With a stunning 2K 1440 pixel resolution for the front camera and 1080 pixel for the side and rear cameras, you're guaranteed clear and detailed footage. Whether it's a minor fender bender or a crucial moment on the road, this dashcam's high resolution ensures you capture every detail. The TiESFONG M10 Max features Super IR night vision, which means it's equipped to handle low-light conditions effortlessly. One of the standout features of this dashcam is its 24-hour radar sensing parking monitor. This smart system saves power by only recording when it detects movement around your parked car. This way, you get around-the-clock protection without draining your car's battery. With the built-in GPS, you can track your real-time trip data, including speed, location, and time. If you're looking for a reliable, high-performance dashcam that covers all your bases, the TiESFONG M10 Max 2K 1440p dashcam is definitely worth considering. With its 4-channel recording, superior night vision, and advanced features, it's a top choice for anyone serious about their car's security. Number 2. 70mm 4K Dashcam A810. The 70mm A810 Dashcam is packed with cutting-edge technology that sets it apart from the competition. First up, the image quality. This dashcam boasts Ultra HD 4K front recording thanks to the Sony Starvis 2 IMX678 sensor. This advanced sensor not only enhances clarity and color accuracy, but also excels in low-light conditions. It's like having a camera that sees beyond the human eye. Alongside the impressive 4K front camera, the A810 also includes a 1080p HDR rear camera, ensuring you have maximum coverage and detail from all angles. The HDR technology significantly improves the balance of exposure levels, making sure your recordings are clear and well lit. The A810's advanced AI motion detection algorithm identifies suspicious activity around your parked car and starts recording automatically. This is great for capturing hit and runs or break-ins, especially when paired with an optional rear camera. In the event of an emergency, the A810's buffered emergency recording saves footage from 2 seconds before and 28 seconds after an incident. This ensures you get a complete view of what happened. Safety is also a big focus with the A810. It comes equipped with advanced driver assistance systems. These features help keep you aware of your surroundings and enhance your driving safety. Built-in GPS provides real-time data such as speed, coordinates, and a route tracking map. This is invaluable for documenting your trips and tracking your exact location in case of an accident. Managing your footage is easy with the 70mm app. Available on both iOS and Android, the app allows you to view, download, and share HD videos directly from your smartphone. Number 1. VIOFO A139 Pro 4K HDR Dashcam. The Sony Starvis 2 IMX678 sensor. This revolutionary sensor is a game-changer, offering true 4K UHD resolution for the front camera, paired with 1080p for the rear. Whether it's day or night, this dashcam captures every detail with stunning clarity and precision. The VIOFO A139 Pro is also equipped with 4K HDR Night Vision 2.0, making it incredibly effective in low-light conditions. The upgraded 7-glass f/.6 aperture lens combined with HDR technology ensures your footage remains sharp and well-balanced, even in the darkest environments. One of the coolest features is its 5G Wi-Fi. This upgraded module ensures that video previewing, downloading, and sharing is faster than ever. Safety features are top-notch with this model. It supports advanced driver assistance systems, providing alerts for lane departures, front collisions, and more. Plus, the built-in GPS logs your speed, location, and time, which can be crucial in case of an accident. And for those who appreciate a little extra clarity, the anti-glare CPL included with the dashcam helps reduce reflections and glare from glass and road surfaces, improving overall image quality and contrast. The VIOFO A139 Pro also comes with a 300 rotatable front lens, which means you can adjust the angle for the perfect view. The dashcam features voice notifications that provide updates and alerts in real time, ensuring you're always informed about the camera's status and any potential issues. And there you have it, our top 5 car dashcams for 2025. Each of these models offers unique features to suit your needs, whether you're a daily commuter or an adventurous road tripper. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Safe travels, and we'll see you in the next video.